Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Vikram. In this class, we'll try to understand arithmetic operators. So before understanding arithmetic operators, we'll try to understand what is meant by an operator. So coming back to our previous example, so the example that we are considering from the first video of our course, C programming course, this is the program. So in this program, we have covered the first line. So based upon the first line, we have discussed about integers and variables. So in the sense, int means data types and variables has been discussed, and this we have discussed, and we have discussed about the printf function also. So the one that we have to discuss is this line of code. So what this line of code is doing, so this line of code, c is equal to a plus b. In this, a plus b is what we call it as mathematical expression. So a plus b is what we call it as mathematical expression. So in this mathematical expression, if you consider any mathematical expression, they consist of operators. So this mathematical expression, in this entire mathematical expression, so this is an operand, this is an operand, and this is what we call it as an operator. So this is an operator, and this is also an operator. So you take any mathematical expression or any logical expression or any kind of mathematical expressions, they consist of operators. So C supports a lot variety of operators. So among those we are going to consider, so the different types of operators that the C supports is arithmetic operators, assignment operators, increment and decrement operators, shift operator, bitwise operator, conditional operators, relational operators, and logical operators. So all these operators we will try to understand. All these types of operators we'll try to understand in the later coming videos. And apart from this, there are many other different types of operators. So about those operators, we will discuss them whenever the context arises. So in this class, we'll try to understand about arithmetic operators. So what is an arithmetic operator? What is arithmetic operators? What are the different arithmetic operators that are supported by C program? So this is the arithmetic operators are broadly divided into two categories. One is unary operator, the other one is binary operator. So what is this unary operator? So unary operator means which has only one operand. For example, if you take this one, minus 10 or plus 10 minus I. So this is minus symbol, but this is a unary operator which has only one operand. The expression in which the operator is assigned with only one operator is what we call it as unary operator. Similarly, what is a binary operator? Binary means 2. So the operator is assigned to, so is the operator which is assigned to two operands is what we call it as binary operand. So binary operators. So this plus symbol is there in the unary, plus is also there in the unary category, and this minus symbol is also there in the unary category. But the difference is this plus is assigned to a value. It is going to decide the sign, whether it is a positive whenever it is applied to a one operand. So this is going to decide the sign of that number, sign of that value, sign of that variable. So here minus I means it is the value of I is going to be a negative value. So those are called as unary plus, and unary minus are called as unary arithmetic operators. The binary arithmetic operators, we have classified it into two parts. It is additive binary arithmetic operators, and the other one is multiplicative binary operators. In the additive binary operators, we have plus and minus symbol. So this is used to do regular addition and subtraction. So these operators are used to do regular addition and subtraction operations. So for example, if you take a plus b, or we can take it as 5 plus 10, So this is how the arithmetic operators, additive arithmetic operators are used. Similarly, multiplicative arithmetic operators, in that we have multiplication symbol, then the other one is division, the other one is modulus division. So that modulus division is going to we are going to get the remainder of the division. So for example, let's take 10 by 3. So 10 mod 3, so it is called as mod 3, and this is modulus division. 10 mod 3 means the remainder after dividing 10 with 3, so the remainder is going to be 1. So that is the value that is produced by this modulus division symbol, percentage symbol is used. So these are the different types of arithmetic operators. Hope you got the clarity on this concept. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. And if you have any doubts regarding this concept, please post your doubt in the comment section below. And if you feel that this video is helpful to you, please give us a like symbol, and please share this video with your friends so that they will also get benefited. Thanks for watching.